Yeah, I've just entered the entrance to the lounge. I think it was $71, not euros, as I said in the previous video. $71 for 6 hours. Oh, I'm thirsty. A little tax-free, but I have what I need. People are just laying down. Occupy space. Looks great. It looks very good. I think I want a snack to begin with. But first we can take a little walk and see what they offer. Pool, a bar, coffee, cookies, nice comfy chairs here. Printer. There's everything here. I don't know what this is. Conference room, I think. Cold drinks. Toilets. Saw one sitting. She looked like she had a heavy sleep. I don't like when one person occupies 3 spaces. Let's go and have a look out here. It's quite busy. More busy than I expected. I want to sit here. Yeah, this looks good. If they come and clean. Yeah, so far so good. I want to have something cold to drink and a little snack. Yeah. That's about it. Signing off. Cheers guys, I just want to show the luggage storage. This is the entrance here, you come in and then just turn right. And you have nice big ones, easy peasy. And you just push in your code and then press hash and it will lock. Very simple, very good. Let's go and find the smoking area. And also we can take a look on the food. I haven't recorded that. Everything is free here. Luggage storage, food, cold drinks, everything. Coffee, cakes. Let's go and have a look on the food. Coffee machines. Small cups, big mugs, cappuccino, latte, iced cappuccino. Why didn't I see that? I want one of them. But first the smoke. Small baguettes. I had some of this, potatoes with carrots. It was very good. Here you have whole grain baguettes. I think there's some cheese inside. Plates, trays. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Here we have beverage, Fanta, Cola, Cola Light, Cola Zero. This is some mixed fruit. I want one of them. Water, Sprite, iced tea. Say hello to you too.
Hello.
Thank you. It's very good. And here they made fish.
Yes.
Fish was good. And falafels. What is
Vegetable rice.
vegetables and rice?
Yes.
Perfect. I'll make a video for YouTube.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. This looks like a bakery. Oh. Can I ask you a question? Do you know where a smoking area is?
Yeah.
Down and left. Thank you so much. Down and left. Down and left. Search and you will find. Half past 1. Six o'clock I will get information about what gate I will board the plane from. This must be here. Yeah, smoking area. Fantastic. Oh, this is nice. You can even sit down. It's the first smoking area I have seen in a couple of years, where you can put your ass in the seat. Excellent. Excellent. This is nice. Yeah. Let's sit here by the beautiful woman. Istanbul by night, or some of it. I like this airport. I like this lounge, that's for sure. Okay, that was a little bit about luggage storage and food and smoking area. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and share. Signing off. Good morning, guys. I just want to record a little bit from the lounge here. Nice big TV screens, and where you see these chairs, very comfy chairs. There's USB plugs and 230 volt plugs for recharging. Excellent European plugs. And down here it's like a nice little almost garden, and then you can go out there again. Great place. Great place. I have to check out from the lounge in half an hour or so. Let's go and have a look here. And staff here is super. So, to be honest, bits of Europe, this was an excellent idea. Very good suggestion. Where are we? 7:07. Yes. Gate info at 5:30. Yeah, 50 minutes. I can stay a little bit more than 1 hour now. So it's time for a cup of coffee, American coffee. I have just been on the bathroom, put some cold water in my head. Oh yeah. To wake up and be a little bit fresh. Yeah, I just want to show you this little place here. So heading for Bucharest. Stay safe, take care. Please subscribe. Have a nice day. Signing off.